In the diagram, WXYZ is a square of length 7 centimeters. Calculate correct to 3 significant figures the area of the shaded region. Take pi is equal to 22/7. So WXYZ is a square, and a square has all 4 sides equal. So all the sides of this square are equal, and we are looking for the area of this shaded region. Now, this side is also 7 centimeters. Since all sides are equal, this side is also 7 centimeters. This side is also 7 centimeters. And this is an arc of a circle. And the radius of that circle is equal to the side of the square. And the center is W. So we have a circle like this. And this is an arc of that circle. The center is W, and the radius of that circle is 7 centimeters. To find the area of the shaded portion, we first of all have to find the area of this whole sector of the circle. That's the area enclosed by the 2 radii and this arc. So this radii and this arc, the whole area is the area of a sector of that circle. And the area of sector ZWX is given by the angle of the sector theta divided by 360 times pi r squared. Since this is a square, the angle of the square is 90 degrees. So the angle of the sector is 90 degrees. And we know the radius of the circle is also 7 centimeters. So we can find the area of this sector. So now theta is 90, pi is 22/7, the radius is 7. And when we use the calculator, we'll have the area of the sector to be 38.5 centimeters square. And also, to get only this shaded portion, we have to find the area of this triangle. And then we subtract from the area of this sector to get the area of the remaining portion. An area of a triangle, that's triangle ZWX, is given by half times base times perpendicular height. You know, the angle here is 90 degrees since this is a square, and so the height here is perpendicular to the base. The base is 7 centimeters, the height is also 7 centimeters. So the area of the triangle is half times the base, 7 centimeters, times the perpendicular height, 7 centimeters. And when we multiply, we have 24.5 centimeters square as the area of the triangle. And to get the area of the shaded portion, we've already found the area of this whole sector, and we found the area of this triangle, so we subtract to get the area of the remaining portion. So area of shaded region is given by the area of the sector, 38.5 centimeters square, minus the area of the triangle, 24.5 centimeters square. And when we subtract, we have the area of the shaded region to be 14.0 centimeters square to three significant figures.